Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you what mornings look like when you live in a van. They're probably pretty similar to your morning routine in a house with a few key differences. Generally, I'll wake up whenever the traffic or people outside the van get noisy enough. Today was pretty nice though, I actually didn't wake up until 8. After that, I roll out of bed and get dressed for the day because the van is usually pretty chilly. You're probably thinking, okay, he got out of bed, set up the camera, and then crawled back into bed. What a weirdo. But actually, I set a camera up last night.
I'm setting this up last night.
See? Irrefutable proof. Anyway, after getting dressed, I do a quick mirror check. Cool, have a sweet pimple rolling in. That's what I get for eating 6 pieces of pizza at the Christmas party. I always eat too much pizza. Next, I need to take down my window covers to let some light into this dark van. These things also insulate, which is nice. They help keep the van a little bit warmer in the winter and a little bit cooler in the summer. And I put these up every night ever since that fateful night when I woke up to someone staring at me through the window. If you guys want to check out that video, I'll link it right up here. Now that I can see, I realize the van's a bit of a mess, so I need to clean it up. Stuff just has a way of gathering all over the place, and if I don't pick it up a couple of times throughout the day, it'll be a disaster in no time. That really highlights the importance of everything having its own dedicated spot. What I really think I need more than anything in the van is a spot to put clothes that aren't quite dirty, but also aren't clean anymore. Part of cleaning up the van is also making the bed every day. Ever since I reduced the size of the bed, it's been much easier to make. I generally leave all the sheets kind of just tucked in, so just a quick little flip up, throw the pillow on there, and we're in business. All that's left now is a quick toothbrushing and I'll be ready to head on out. Make sure you brush your fangs, boys and girls. We gotta keep those pearly whites pearly white. I have a tendency to brush my teeth for way too long. I don't know if anyone else is like that, but if I don't pay attention, I'll end up brushing my teeth for like 10 minutes. Anyway, throw this back in here with my camera. Alright, time to go. I'm gonna bring my computer, a couple accessories, and my camera, of course, to bring you guys along. I can do the snaps. Another shot of my feet. There's a lot of my feet in this video, I guess. What are you gonna do? Add me on Feet Finder? I don't know. I generally like to make coffee myself, but I'm going to the cafe to do a little bit of work anyway, and I don't really like to linger around without paying for something, so we're treating ourselves to a cheeky little Americano today. Man, do I get excited for my coffee and pretending to work in a cafe. Also, whenever I'm out, I take advantage of the public restrooms. I love my Trillino, but that thing has to be cleaned and emptied and maintained, so I take every opportunity to pee where it's someone else's problem, I guess. And in this case, it's Better Buzz's problem. Alright, after I make a dent in my work, I'm ready to cruise back to the van and get some food ready. Then we're off to the gym. Drinking that whole Americano on an empty stomach did leave me a little bit shaky. So let's get some food in this belly. If you guys saw my last video, you know I like my kefir. I'm gonna prep it right now. I won't go too in depth, but it's just a great probiotic. It's really cheap to make yourself with some tasty banana, peanut butter, chia seed, and flaxseed. It doesn't really dirty a lot of dishes, which you know I love. These kefir grains, they grow and they grow as and you can see I'm shaking there. They feed on the lactose, the sugar in milk. So every once in a while, I'll just tear off a piece of them, blend it in, and it's just some extra probiotics that I get in my little smoothie here. Nobody saw me drip peanut butter on the counter there. Protein, of course, for the gains. Again, my whole kind of philosophy with the van is not living in the van, but rather living out of the van. Treat the van as like a bedroom slash kitchen, and then go live your life outside of it. Obviously, the coffee's kicking in as I'm starting to dance. Alright, I just need to put on some quick gym attire because I'm not about to work out in jeans. It's the middle of December and it's now like 78 degrees here in Southern California, which is crazy, even for us. It was a little chilly in the morning, but it's definitely heating up now. Not as much as I'm about to heat up this gym, though. I don't know. I don't even know what that means. Couple slaps of the gym bag and I'm ready to go. And that coffee is going right through me, so we're paying old Mr. Toilet a second visit. If anyone cares much about the working out stuff, I'm really into like knees over toes guy, if anybody's familiar. I'm really into sort of like gymnastic style of like bodyweight exercises, but it's all about eating well, progressive overload, stay moving. You know, body in motion stays in motion, right? And I want to be healthy into my old age. I do a lot of physical activities, whether it's surfing or rock climbing, martial arts, hiking. And I feel like lifting weights is one of the ways that I can sort of make sure that my body stays balanced, you know, give equal attention to the pushing and the pulling muscle, to the pushing and the pulling muscles, the upper body versus the lower body, and working on a couple weird exercises just to keep my body feeling good and injury free. It's also cool, they have this sweet outdoor area where I can go get my bronze on while I also work out a bit. Who doesn't love that? 2 birds, 1 sunny workout. Trying to figure out this handstand thing. It's a bit of a work in progress. After the lifting, I like to do some good mobility, some good stretching. Again, just take care of those tissues that we put through the ringer. I want to be healthy and doing physical activities till I'm 100 years old, so we'll see if I can do it right. This is called Skin the Cat. It is a great shoulder stretch. It just opens up the chest and everything in there. Alright, I'm not supposed to be filming in the locker room, so here's just a little sneak peek of my main shower that I use. I don't really like to use my sink as a shower. I would prefer to use the warm water and the gym shower. All that's left to do now is hit the road. I'm off to do some Christmas shopping today. I almost forgot you guys. Don't want to drive off without the camera. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Happy holidays, and I will see you guys later. Adios.